25 Computer Terminology Terms. Dr. Frank Kardasz. Operating Systems. Operating System, OS, a software that controls and coordinates the computer hardware devices and runs other software and applications on a computer. It manages the computer's memory and processes, as well as all of its software and hardware. Booting, the process of starting up a computer and loading the operating system into the computer's memory. System resources, the hardware components of a computer, such as CPU, memory, storage devices, printer, etc., that are managed by the operating system. CPU, Central Processing Unit, the part of a computer that performs most of the processing. Memory, the part of a computer where data and instructions are stored temporarily while the computer is running. Storage devices, the hardware components of a computer that store data permanently, such as hard disk drives, solid-state drives, and flash drives. Input and output, the process of sending data to a computer, input, and receiving data from a computer, output. GUI, Graphical User Interface, a type of user interface that allows users to interact with a computer using graphical elements such as icons, windows, and buttons. Search engines. Search engine, a software system that searches for information on the World Wide Web. Indexing, the process of creating an index of web pages that can be searched by a search engine. Crawling, the process of automatically collecting information about web pages. Ranking, the process of ordering search results based on their relevance to the search query. Productivity software. Productivity software, a type of software that helps users create, edit, and manage documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and other types of digital content. Word processor, a type of productivity software that allows users to create and edit text documents. Spreadsheet, a type of productivity software that allows users to create and manipulate numerical data in a table format. Presentation software, a type of productivity software that allows users to create and deliver multimedia presentations. Presentation software, a type of productivity software that allows users to create and deliver multimedia presentations. Databases. Database, a collection of data that is organized in a specific way to allow for efficient retrieval and manipulation of data. Relational database, a type of database that organizes data into tables with columns and rows and establishes relationships between tables. SQL, structured query language, a programming language used to manage and manipulate data in relational databases. Web pages. Web page, a document that is displayed on the World Wide Web and can contain text, images, videos, and other types of digital content. HTML, hypertext markup language, a markup language used to create web pages. CSS, cascading style sheets, a style sheet language used to describe the presentation of a web page. JavaScript, a programming language used to create interactive and dynamic web pages. Web browser, a software application used to access and view web pages on the World Wide Web. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, a web address that identifies the location of a web page on the World Wide Web. 25 Computer Terminology Terms. Dr. Frank Kardasz.